We've got hold of Fuji's latest X series compact system camera, their X-E1. We've got a lovely model here. I'm going to be taking some shots and seeing how it performs. So the X-E1 is noticeably smaller than the X Pro 1, and it's all the better for it. It just feels a lot more balanced and refined than its bigger brother. It's got a nice comfortable grip, and the styling sort of keeps in line with the X series philosophy of sort of a retro brought bang up to date. It's got the same 16.3 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS sensor that the X Pro 1 had, so we've got high hopes for the image quality, while the ISO range goes from 200 to a reasonably moderate 6400. This can be expanded to 12,825 600, but that's JPEG only, and it will shoot down as low as 100 ISO. What's nice about the X-E1 is the really simplified controls. It's not for everybody, but you've got a very simple user interface. You've got your aperture controlled on this ring here on the new 18 to 55mm lens, which is really nice in itself, and then you've got your shutter speed dial on the top here. If you want to have them in program mode, you just set both to A and you can just point and shoot with the camera, though it's really quick to use in either aperture or shutter priority. You've also got an exposure compensation dial here, which might get knocked reasonably easily, but we haven't really experienced any problems. So all in all, very quick and easy to use. Using the EVF on the X-E1 is really good, and you don't even miss the clever hybrid viewfinder on the X Pro 1. The 2.36 million dot resolution on the X-E1 is really crystal clear. Now, Fuji's gone some way to improving the performance of the focusing over the original X Pro 1 before the firmware update. It is improved, but it's still not quite as fast as its rivals such as the OMD or the Nex 7. You can see it locks on reasonably quickly, but it's not as razor sort of sharp or as instantaneous as the rivals. You've got 49 AF points to select from, so if I hit the AF button there, I can just toggle through and select my desired AF point. Using the command R, I can just reduce the size of that for even greater precision. So, got that locked on now. So the X-E1 has a host of buttons dotted around it to make it really quick and easy to use. For a start, you've got this function button on the top that allows you to set ISO, but it can be programmed in the menu for a different setting should you wish. You've got this quick menu button here, which offers a range of settings that you can easily adjust via this command dial here. You've got ISO again, you've got image size, RAW format, film simulation modes, to name but a few. And then you've got this four-way D-pad, which makes it really quick and easy to navigate. The sharpness and level of detail delivered by the 13.3 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor is nothing short of stunning. As well as delivering bags of detail, the X-E1 doesn't disappoint when it comes to ISO performance either. Low ISOs are smooth and devoid of any signs of image noise, while at ISO 3200 the level of detail rendered is still good. To say the X-E1 is a stripped down X Pro 1 would be doing it a great disservice. In many ways, it's the better camera, delivering class leading image quality. For our full review, log on to whatdigitalcamera.com.